Welcome to the world of makeup. Whether you're just starting out or already experimenting with colors, this is a space where you can truly be yourself. Makeup isn't just about products or trends, it's about creativity, self-expression, and having a little fun along the way. For many teens, this is an exciting time to explore and express yourself. Every brushstroke is a chance to try something new, to see yourself in a different light, and to share your personality with the world. It's a journey of discovery, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Makeup is like a new set of colors to play with. It's about showing off your unique style. Maybe you love bold eyeshadows, or maybe you prefer a soft, natural look. The best part is, you get to decide what feels right for you each day. It's not about changing who you are, but about having fun and feeling good. Makeup can be a way to celebrate your individuality, to highlight your favorite features, or just to enjoy a creative moment with friends. Natural makeup looks are super popular with teens right now. These looks are all about keeping things light and fresh, letting your real self shine through while adding just a touch of color or glow. This style is all about looking fresh and real, letting your natural beauty shine. A little bit of blush, a swipe of mascara, or a dab of lip gloss can make you feel put together without hiding who you are. Instead of covering up, it's about enhancing what's already there. Maybe you want to bring out your eyes, add a healthy glow to your cheeks, or define your brows just a bit. It's all about subtle touches that make you feel confident. Think of makeup as a little confidence booster. It's like putting on your favorite outfit or listening to your favorite song. It can lift your mood and help you feel ready to take on the day. It can highlight your favorite features. You might discover new things you love about your face and learn how to make them stand out in a way that feels just right for you. A little makeup can draw attention and help you feel more. But the most important thing is to have fun with it. Makeup is just one of
So, let's dive in and discover the joy of makeup together. Your adventure starts now!
Natural makeup is perfect for everyday life. Whether you're heading to school, meeting up with friends, or just enjoying a quiet day at home. It's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin, no matter where you are or what you're doing. With natural makeup, you don't have to worry about looking overdone or out of place. Instead, you get to show off your real self with just a touch of enhancement. One of the best things about natural makeup is that it looks effortless. It doesn't seem like you spent hours in front of the mirror, but rather that you woke up looking fresh and put together. This style is all about embracing simplicity and letting your true beauty shine through without any fuss. It gives you that effortless, cool vibe and shows you're comfortable in your own skin. When you wear less makeup, you're telling the world that you're confident just as you are. There's something really inspiring about someone who doesn't feel the need to hide behind layers of products. Less is more. A tiny bit of makeup can brighten your face, even out your skin tone, and make you look more awake. Sometimes, just a dab of concealer or a swipe of mascara is all you need to feel refreshed and ready to take on the day. Too much makeup can actually hide your unique features, making it harder for your personality to shine through. When you pile on products, you risk covering up the things that make you, you, like your freckles, your smile, or the natural glow of your skin. Your natural features are what make you special. Embracing them is a way of celebrating your individuality and showing the world that you're proud of who you are. Everyone has something unique about their face, and natural makeup lets those features stand out. Lighter makeup also helps your skin breathe better. When you use fewer products, your pores are less likely to get clogged and your skin can stay healthier in the long run. It's a gentle approach that's especially good for young, sensitive skin. Heavy makeup can sometimes clog pores or cause breakouts, especially if you're wearing it. It can also feel uncomfortable or heavy on your skin, making you want to wash it off as soon as you get home. Light natural makeup is much kinder to young, developing skin. It allows your skin to stay fresh and vibrant, and it's easy to remove. Plus, it helps you build good skincare habits. Healthy skin is the best. You need to take care of your skin. Healthy skin is the real secret behind any great makeup look. Before you even think about foundation, blush, or highlighter, it's important to focus on the natural canvas you're working with. When your skin is well cared for, makeup goes on smoother, lasts longer, and looks more natural. It's like starting with a blank, flawless sheet of paper before you create a masterpiece. Think of your face like an artist's canvas. The smoother and cleaner, the better the result. Just as an artist preps their canvas before painting, prepping your skin is the first step to any look. Cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin helps create the perfect base for your creativity to shine. Good skincare is the foundation. Using gentle cleansers, hydrating moisturizers, and sunscreen every day keeps your skin healthy and ready for anything. Don't forget to remove your makeup at night to let your skin breathe and recover. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Hydration helps flush out toxins and keeps your complexion looking fresh and dewy. If you find plain water boring, try adding a slice of lemon or some berries for a tasty twist. Keep a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. Making hydration a habit is one of the easiest ways to support your skin from the inside out, especially if you're active or spend time outdoors. Eating healthy foods, especially fruits and vegetables, helps your skin stay clear and healthy. Foods rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats nourish your skin and protect it from damage. Try to fill your plate with a rainbow of produce every day. Colorful foods like berries, spinach, and carrots are beauty foods for your skin. These foods are packed with nutrients that help fight blemishes, boost your glow, and keep your skin looking youthful and fresh. Getting enough sleep is another hero for your skin. When you're well rested, your skin has time to repair itself, reduce puffiness, and even out your complexion. Sleep is like a nightly reset button for your face. When you sleep, your body repairs and rejuvenates itself. This is when your skin will work hardest to heal and renew. So don't underestimate the power of a good night's rest. Aim for around 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Try to keep a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down. You'll wake up with skin rested and bright, ready to be the perfect canvas for anyone you want to create. Remember, Let's start our simple makeup routine. The first step is always clean skin. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type. Pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Don't rub. Treat your skin kindly, and it will love you back. Next, apply a light moisturizer. Even oily skin needs hydration. Choose one made for your skin type. Let it absorb for a minute or two before moving on. This creates a smooth, hydrated surface for makeup. Your face is now perfectly prepped for the next steps. Visual teen gently washing face and applying moisturizer. Visual smiling at their reflection. Now for a little light coverage if you want it. The goal is to gently even out your skin tone, not hide your natural features. Tinted moisturizer, BB cream or CC cream are great, lightweight options. They hydrate and often include SPF or antioxidants. Apply a small amount to the center of your face and blend outwards. Blend well, no obvious lines. For blemishes, use a tiny bit of concealer that matches your skin tone. Gently pat it on, don't rub. Less is more. Visual teen applying tinted moisturizer and dabbing concealer. Visual, smiling confidently. Let's add a healthy touch of color. A little blush can make you look more awake and vibrant. Choose a soft, natural shade. Think pink, peach, or rosy nude. Cream blush melts into the skin for a dewy look. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks. Dab and blend upwards. For lips, a tinted balm adds moisture and a sheer hint of color. Pick a shade close to your natural lip color or a soft pink or peach. A touch of gloss in the center can make lips look fuller. Avoid very dark or bright colors for this look. We're aiming for soft, pretty, and natural. Visual teen applying blush and lip balm, then smiling. Your eyes are expressive. Let's make them sparkle subtly. Brush your brows up with a spoolie and fill in lightly if needed. A little mascara on your top lashes opens up your eyes. Brown mascara can look softer for daytime. For eyeshadow, choose soft neutral shades like champagne, peach, or light brown. Apply just a wash of color to your lids. Skip heavy eyeliner for this look. Simplicity is key. Visual, teen brushing brows, applying mascara and soft eyeshadow. Visual close-up of bright natural eyes. Teen skin can be sensitive, so choose gentle products. Look for non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic labels. Products for sensitive skin or teens often have milder formulas. You don't need expensive brands. Many drugstore options are great. Avoid heavy fragrances or harsh chemicals. Clean your makeup brushes and sponges regularly to prevent breakouts. Wash brushes weekly with gentle soap and water. Visual teen reading product labels and washing brushes. Visual smiling with clear skin. Many teens are loving the natural makeup look. My friend Sarah switched from heavy foundation to tinted moisturizer and blush. Her skin feels healthier and her freckles shine through. She feels more like her true self and is happier with her look. The most important thing is to feel confident and happy. Makeup is a fun way to express yourself, but it doesn't define you. Your smile, kindness, and personality are your true beauty. Experiment to find what makes you feel good. Embrace your natural beauty every day. Be proud of who you are, with or without makeup. You are truly awesome just as you are.